What if the key to a lighter, healthier you was hiding in your kitchen all along, masquerading as a simple ingredient in your favorite dessert? Researchers say that incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily routine can have a profound impact on your overall well-being, particularly when it comes to weight loss. By harnessing the power of this versatile ingredient, you can begin to notice subtle yet significant changes in your body, like waking up without that sluggish, weighed-down feeling that often accompanies a heavy meal. As you start to make the gelatin trick a staple in your morning or evening ritual, you may find that your digestive system begins to function more smoothly, allowing your body to efficiently process the nutrients it needs to thrive. My friend, who's been using the gelatin trick for a while now, swears by its ability to help her drop that heavy, bloated feeling that used to hold her back. The gelatin trick is all about finding a gentle, sustainable balance that works for you, and that's what makes it so appealing. To start experiencing the benefits of the gelatin trick for yourself, be sure to check out the link in the description below, where you'll find a wealth of information to get you started. For even more personalized guidance, head to the pinned comment, where we've shared some additional tips and resources to help you make the most of the gelatin trick.